Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. And let me tell you, I am so stoked for this video. We're talking about something really close to my heart: traveling the world. But not just any kind of travel. We're diving deep into how to do it without spending a dime. You heard me right, absolutely free. Listen, I get it. For the longest time, I thought traveling the world was this impossible dream reserved for, trust fund kids and lottery winners. But over the years, I've discovered all these insane hacks and loopholes. And let me tell you, it is totally possible to explore this incredible planet without going totally broke. So if you've ever dreamt of backpacking through Southeast Asia, exploring the ancient ruins of South America, or just chilling on a beach in Bali without spending a single penny, you are in the right place. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready for your mind to be blown, because we're about to break down the top 5 ways you can travel the world for free. First up, we're talking volunteering. I know what you're thinking. Volunteering? That doesn't sound very glamorous. But hear me out. There are countless organizations out there that are desperate for extra hands, and they'll actually cover your travel expenses in exchange for your time and skills. Think about it. You could be building schools in rural Nepal, working on conservation projects in the Amazon rainforest, or teaching English to kids in Thailand, all while experiencing a new culture and making a real difference. Websites like Workaway and Worldpackers connect volunteers with hosts all over the globe. You can filter by your interests, skills, and the type of experience you're looking for. Plus, most of these programs cover your accommodation, food, and sometimes even your flights. That's a pretty sweet deal, right? Next up, let's talk about travel hacking. Don't worry, you don't need to be some kind of tech genius to pull this off. It's all about being strategic with your spending and racking up those sweet travel rewards points. Think about it. Every time you swipe your credit card, you could be earning miles, points, or cash back that you can redeem for free flights, hotels, and even travel experiences. Sign up for a travel rewards credit card and start earning points on your everyday purchases. Then use those points to book your flights and accommodation for free. Pro tip: look for cards with big sign-up bonuses and perks like airport lounge access and free checked bags. It all adds up. Chapter 3. Live rent-free with house sitting. Ever thought about living rent-free in a Parisian apartment overlooking the Eiffel Tower? Or maybe a cozy cabin in the Swiss Alps is more your style? Well, house sitting might just be your ticket to free accommodation around the world. It's exactly what it sounds like. People go on vacation and need someone to look after their homes and furry friends while they're gone. You get a free place to stay, and they get peace of mind knowing their home is in good hands. Websites like Trusted House Sitters and Nomador connect house sitters with homeowners worldwide. You can find opportunities ranging from a few days to several months, and in some pretty incredible locations. Chapter 4. Get sponsored. No, seriously. Okay, this one takes a bit more effort, but it can be a game changer if you're serious about traveling for free. Sponsored travel is all about collaborating with brands and tourism boards to promote their destinations, products, or services. Build a strong online presence by creating engaging content about your travels. Think stunning photos, captivating videos, and insightful blog posts. Once you've got a decent following, start reaching out to brands and tourism boards that align with your travel style and values. Pitch them your ideas for collaborations and highlight how your content can benefit them. You never know what kind of amazing opportunities might come your way. Chapter 5. Work abroad and make money while you're at it. Last but not least, if you're looking for a more immersive travel experience, why not work abroad? There are tons of jobs that allow you to live and work in another country, often with accommodation included. Teaching English is a popular option, but there are also opportunities in fields like hospitality, tourism, and even tech. Websites like Go Overseas and Working Holiday Visa can help you find work abroad programs and connect with potential employers. Not only will you be able to experience a new culture firsthand, but you'll also be earning money to fund your adventures. It's a win-win. Outro, what are you waiting for? Start planning your free trip. So there you have it. 5 incredible ways to see the world without breaking the bank. Which one will you try first? Listen, I know it can seem daunting to pack your bags and jump into the unknown. Trust me, I've been there. But I'm telling you, the experiences you'll have, the people you'll meet, and the memories you'll make are absolutely priceless. Don't let money hold you back from living your best life. Start planning your next adventure today. Let us know in the comments below which method you're most excited to try. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips. Until next time, peace out.